Okay, I just want to address a couple issues with the DragMath equation editor. It turns out if you make an equation, you may have noticed this, you can't see it to like check yourself. After you're done and you insert it, it inserts it as code, and you can only see it as the code, except perhaps after the quiz is all done and closed. But here's one thing that you can do. There's two ways you can get around this. One is, as some of you have found, you can just open up Word, use the equation editor in Word, and then paste it in there. I think that'll work. But let's just use DragMath here and see what we can do. One of the features that DragMath has is that you can save the equations. And I know this is a little cumbersome, but let's say that I was going to do a problem like is in your homework here with Q equals MC delta T. So I'm just going to kind of set up my equation here and make it a little handier for me. And so I've got a mass, something like that, and actually I'm going to use the fraction symbol in the middle here because I want to have joules per gram per degree C. So it's going to be 4.18 joules, and then down here I've got grams, and I have degrees C. Haven't figured out how to do the degree symbol on here yet, so we're skipping that. And then let's say the temperature changed by 5 degrees. Write something like this. And then I'm going to do this on my calculator, so I've got 50 times 4.18 times 5. It's going to be 1045 joules. Yeah, I should have more sig figs than that there. Now 1045 joules, I've only got 3 sig figs here. This actually 2 sig figs, so 1045 joules is only going to be 1.0 times 10 to the third. So let's see, we're going to bring this down to 1.0 times 10 to the third, and I can't put joules on here. I guess I'm going to have to, I know what I can do. To put the units out here, I'm going to have to put this little dot symbol out there, and that'll let me put the joules. That's fine. So this is what it looks like now. If I want to see this later, so if I want to be able to look at this later, what I'm going to have to do is save it. And I can just save this as, for example, if this is question 1 on the homework or on a test or whatever, I can just put Q1, this is just saving it to my documents, and save, and then insert. Now, of course, it puts it in as the code here. But if I wanted to go back and look at it again, here's what I can do. I can open this up, and I can open the file and find it in here. And there it is. Okay, so now I can possibly check my work and stuff like that. I know it's a little bit cumbersome, but it is possible. Of course, if I hit insert again, it's going to put it in there twice, and I don't necessarily want that. All right, thanks for listening. Good luck.